Hello, and thank you for visiting the Prepared as a School Counselor or School Social Worker School Adjustment Counselor in Massachusetts and Obtaining Initial Licensure component of the Massachusetts Educator Licensure Series, often referred to as MELS. This presentation provides general information about how individuals prepared to be a school guidance counselor, and/or school social worker, school adjustment counselor in Massachusetts can earn an initial license. Throughout this presentation, there will be references to finding additional information, such as guides, forms, and other websites. You can find links to these resources within the overview located directly beneath this video. Please keep the following in mind when applying for a professional support personnel license. You may obtain an initial license as your first license. Initial licenses are each valid for 5 years of employment, not 5 calendar years. You cannot obtain a professional license as your first license. The school guidance counselor and school counselor licenses serve the same function. Therefore, please do not apply for both of these licenses. Due to changes to the regulations, applicants seeking to obtain an initial school guidance counselor license must apply and satisfy all requirements prior to July 1st, 2019. Otherwise, they should apply for the school counselor license. The department offers the school counselor and school guidance counselor licenses at 2 grade levels, pre-K through 8 and 5 through 12. The school social worker school adjustment counselor license covers all grades, pre-K through 12. Requirements to obtain a school guidance counselor or school counselor license for individuals prepared in Massachusetts are identical. As part of the 2017 regulations, the name of the school guidance counselor license simply changed to school counselor. Requirements for both of these licenses are very similar to the requirements to earn an initial school social worker, school adjustment counselor license. Each of these 3 licenses require a bachelor's degree, a passing score on the communication and literacy skills test, possession of a master's degree, and the completion of an initial licensure program for the license sought. However, initial school social worker school adjustment counselor applicants may earn a master's degree in social work or counseling, whereas initial school guidance counselor and initial school counselor applicants are required to earn a master's degree with a major in counseling. Remember, to earn an initial school guidance counselor license, applicants must apply and satisfy all requirements prior to July 1st, 2019. Otherwise, such applications will be changed to initial school counselor. Let's cover ways to satisfy and document requirements. To document possession of a bachelor's degree, applicants should upload an official undergraduate transcript that includes the registrar's signature, verifying a bachelor's degree conferred along with the conferral date and all coursework within. The degree must be completed through a college or university accredited by a recognized organization. Applicants who earn a degree outside of the United States through a college or university not accredited by a recognized organization should upload a degree equivalency report made by a nationally recognized agency. Statute requires a bachelor's degree. Therefore, applicants with graduate degrees still must submit verification of a bachelor's degree. As for the communication and literacy skills test, the testing company reports results automatically to the Office of Educator Licensure. You can find more information about uploading documents, recognized accrediting organizations, nationally recognized agencies, and the communication and literacy skills test through links contained within the overview located directly beneath this video. To document a required master's degree, please upload official graduate transcripts that include the registrar's signature, verifying a required degree conferred along with the conferral date and all coursework within. As for verifying the completion of an initial licensure program, approved program providers verify the completion of a Massachusetts Educator preparation program through an electronic endorsement in ELAR. You can find approved preparation programs through the link within the overview located directly beneath this video. Once on the page captured in this slide, click on the first down arrow to the right of Select Field and select Professional Support Personnel. Then click on the second down arrow to the right of Professional Support Personnel and select the specific program you are interested in finding. Proceed accordingly in descending order. When you arrive at what type of program do you wish to attend, select Post-Baccalaureate. Once you are through making your selections, click the Search button located on the bottom right to view a list of organizations that offer a program in the field that you selected. Please keep the following in mind. An initial license is valid for 5 years of employment. In addition, applicants who have not satisfied requirements to advance to professional licensure may extend an initial license for an additional 5 years of employment. The extension requires verification that you either have been employed for 5 years under the license or are in your 5th year of employment, and submission of a letter or form stating that you plan to complete the requirements for professional licensure. Educators employed under an initial license for 5 years have a professional responsibility to extend the license or advance the initial license to a professional license before starting their next year of employment in the role of the license in a public school or other setting where possession of the valid license is required by Massachusetts law. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about educator licensure in Massachusetts. Thank you also for being an educator or aspiring to become one. Your efforts are commendable and greatly appreciated. We hope this component of MELS has been helpful. Please visit other components of the series for additional information about educator licensure. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to call the Licensure Call Center at 781-338-6600 or stop by and visit us in person at our walk-in service counter at 75 Pleasant Street, Malden, Massachusetts.